The Ilwanseng vow, Ilwan, is the realm of Samdi, beyond all words and speech, the gateway of birth and death, that transcends being and non-being, the original source of heaven and earth, parents, fellow beings and laws, and the nature of all Buddhas, enlightened masters, ordinary humans and sentient beings. It can form both the permanent and the impermanent. Viewed as the permanent, it has unfolded into an infinite world that is ever abiding and unextinguished, just as it is and spontaneous. Viewed as the impermanent, it has unfolded into an infinite world, now as progression, now as regression, here as grace arising from harm, there as harm arising from grace, by effecting transformations through the formation, subsistence, decay, and extinction of the universe. The birth, old age, sickness, and death of all things, and the 6 rebirth destinies in accordance with the mental and bodily functions of the 4 modes of birth. Therefore, modeling ourselves wholeheartedly on this Ilwansang, the Dharmakaya Buddha, and practicing with utmost devotion to keep our mind and body perfectly, to know human affairs and universal principles perfectly, and to use our mind and body perfectly. We deluded beings make this vow so that, by progressing rather than regressing and receiving grace rather than harm, we may attain the awesome power of Ilwan and be unified with the substance and nature of Ilwan.